Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my podcast. My name is Emma, and today I want to tell you a very funny story. It is about my most embarrassing English mistake. Yes, even I make mistakes. This mistake happened many years ago, but I still think about it. And you know what? It helps me teach better. Today, I will share the story, teach you simple phrases, explain why these mistakes happen, and help you avoid them. Before we start, please follow the podcast and leave a review. It really helps the show grow. Okay, let's begin. I was around 16 years old. Not a child, but not an adult. I was speaking English with a foreign exchange student. His English was actually very good. Mine was not so good. We were talking about school, homework, and music. I wanted to say, I am very excited. Easy, right? But I said the wrong word. I said, I am very exited. Exited with a T. So instead of saying I was happy, I said I left the room. He looked at me like I had disappeared. And I felt so embarrassed. My face got hot. My stomach felt strange. I wanted to run away. But mistakes are normal. Mistakes help us learn. And today we will learn from mine. Let's talk about why that mistake happened. English has many words that look similar but mean very different things. These are called false friends. Say it with me, false friends. Good. Today we will study some of the most common false friends. We will listen, we will discuss, and we will listen again. This will help you remember the words for a long time. Let's start with the words from my mistake. Excited means happy or full of energy. Example, I am excited to learn English. Repeat after me, I am excited to learn English. Excellent. Exited means to leave a place. Example, she exited the bus. Repeat, she exited the bus. Good job. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You think of the right word. Sentence 1. I am very to meet you. Yes, excited. Sentence 2. He underscore the building after class. Yes, exited. Let's repeat both words again. Excited, exited, excited, exited. Nice work. Now let's talk about another common mistake. Fun means enjoyable. Funny means it makes you laugh. Example with fun. The trip was fun. Example with funny. The movie was funny. Repeat. The trip was fun. The movie was funny. Great. Now try this. I told the story. Yes, funny. Roller coasters are Yes, fun. Emma, let's repeat. Fun, funny, fun, funny. You're doing great. These two words look close, but they are not the same. Sensitive means someone who feels emotions easily. Example, she is sensitive. She cries easily. Sensible means smart or practical. Example, it is sensible to save money. Repeat after me, she is sensitive. It is sensible. Nice job. This is a big one. In many languages, the word that looks like actually means something different. But in English, actually means in fact. Currently means right now. Examples. I actually like studying. I am currently cooking dinner. Repeat after me. I actually like it. I am currently cooking. Good. This one is interesting. The same word, but two meanings. Pretty can mean beautiful. Pretty can also mean quite or a little. Example, she is pretty. Example, it is pretty warm today. Repeat, she is pretty. It is pretty warm. Great work. Let's listen again to the important parts. Excited means happy. Exited means left a place. Fun means enjoyable. Funny means it makes you laugh. Sensitive means feels emotions. Sensible means smart. Actually means in fact. Currently means right now. Pretty means beautiful. Pretty also means quite. Repetition helps your brain remember. So relax. Listen again if you need to. You are learning. Now let's do a bit more practice. I will say 2 sentences. You choose the right word. Sentence A. The weather is pretty cold today. Sentence B. She is a pretty singer. 2 meanings, 1 word. Now try this one. I am to start my new job. Excited. He the train at the last stop. Exited. You are doing very well. Let's keep going. Here are some mistakes I hear very often. I will say the wrong sentence. Then I will say the correct one. Wrong. The movie was very funny. I had fun. Correct. The movie was very funny. I had fun. 2 sentences, 2 meanings. Wrong. I currently think pizza is the best food. Correct? I actually think pizza is the best food. Wrong. He is a sensible man. He cries a lot. Correct. He is a sensitive man. He cries a lot. Let's repeat the correct versions together. The movie was very funny. I had fun. I actually think pizza is the best food. He is sensitive. Good job. Let me go back to my embarrassing moment. After I said, I am very exited, the exchange student looked confused. He said, "Did you leave?" And I said, "No, I am here." He laughed, but very kindly. I felt embarrassed, but also grateful. He explained the difference to me, and that moment helped me remember it forever. Later that day, I told my teacher what happened. She said, "Good. Now you will never forget the word excited." And she was right. Mistakes help your brain learn faster. Every mistake is a small teacher. Your mistakes are not bad. Your mistakes are progress. Let's practice with simple daily life sentences. Repeat after me. I am excited to eat dinner. She exited the car. The beach was fun. The joke was funny. He is sensitive. That is a sensible idea. I actually like cold weather. I am currently learning English. She is pretty. It is pretty late. Very nice. Here are some slow, simple, practical tips. Tip 1. Use short sentences. Short sentences are strong. They help you speak clearly. Tip 2. Listen to English every day. Podcasts, videos, music. Your brain learns the rhythm. Tip 3. Read simple English. Children's books, short stories, menus, signs. Simple is good. Tip 4. Repeat new words many times. 5 times, 10 times. Say them out loud. Tip 5. Do not fear mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. Tip 6. Ask questions. You can say, "Is this the right word?" People understand. People help. Tip 7. Practice speaking slowly. Speed comes later. Clarity comes first. Tip 8. Celebrate small wins. Learning one new word is a win. Understanding one new sentence is a win. Tip 9. Use new words in your day. Use excited. Use fun. Use actually. Use them when you talk to yourself. It works. Tip 10. Enjoy the process. English learning is a long journey. Enjoy the small moments. Let's do our pattern again. Listen, fun means enjoyable. Funny means makes you laugh. Discuss, fun day, funny joke. Listen again, fun, funny, good job. Now again, sensitive means emotional. Sensible means smart. Sensitive person, sensible idea. Nice. Let's do one more. Actually means in fact. Currently means right now. Actually hungry. Currently eating. Perfect. You did amazing today. Really, you learned new words. You learned the differences. You listened. You practiced. You improved. Let's quickly review the key phrases. Excited versus exited. Fun versus funny. Sensitive versus sensible. Actually versus currently. Pretty versus pretty. Now here is today's community question. What is one English mistake that you made? And what did you learn from it? Tell me your story. I would love to hear it. Thank you for listening to the show. Remember to follow the podcast so you never miss an episode. You are learning. You are improving. And I am proud of you. See you next time.